Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial in this series of tutorial on React. In the previous video, we have learned to create a functional component in React application. In this video, we will learn to pass the properties to this functional component from another component, that is from app.js component. To send or pass the properties or props from app.js component, first we need to go to app.js file. Next, in the tag where you have added child component, we need to add the property which we wish to send to our child component, that is to welcome component. For instance, here I want to send my name to the child component. So I can add one property by name, username here, and I can assign that one to Sanjay. So now I can send this one to our child component, that is welcome.js file. To receive these properties or props in welcome.js, open that one, and here you might have observed, and as explained earlier, properties or props here are optional for our functional component. So that's why we have not mentioned any props here. But in this case, we are passing or sending properties from app.js file. Here we need to receive the properties. To receive the properties, we need to make use of props here. For that one, add props for this functional component here. Now whatever the properties we are sending from our main component, that is app.js file, those will be received and will be saved in this props. By using the dot operator, we can fetch the values within these props. For this instance, we are sending a property by name username from our app.js main component. To fetch that one, in the return statement where we have added HTML code, add curly braces here, and within the curly braces add props dot username. So this will fetch the value of username which is stored in the props, and it will attach in the HTML content whatever we are returning here. I will add one hyphen here. Now we are done with fetching the value. Save all files. As we know, React application auto compiles. Let's go back to browser to preview this one. And here you can observe the value or props which we are sending from our main component app.js file, that is being captured and being displayed in our functional component here. So these are the simple steps which we need to follow to pass the properties or props from one component to another component. That's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.